Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the Worldcoin on Binance. It's easy to get this token. Make sure you've downloaded the Binance app and you've set up an account. If you've not set up an account, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify your account. So guys, with your account verified, how can you buy the Worldcoin? If you wish to deposit cryptocurrency you hold outside of Binance, click the deposit icon you see, click on deposit. Once you select the deposit, click on I have crypto assets and select the deposit crypto option. With this option, you could easily deposit any cryptocurrency of your choice, which in return could be converted into the Worldcoin. Now, if you wish to deposit fiat currency, you could deposit NGN, that's my local currency, or you could buy using your local currency. The option is here. You could deposit your local currency, you could buy, you could also trade your local currency for cryptocurrency. So guys, once you've been able to get some crypto, head to the wallet section where we have the overview, reload, scroll from the overview to the funding or spot, and once there, you'd find the amount of cryptocurrency you hold on your wallet. So guys, once you've had a look at your cryptocurrency, once you've had a look at the cryptocurrency you hold, head to the home section where we have the convert icon, click on convert. And once you've selected the convert icon, USDT to AGIX, click on this AGIX and simply search for WLD. That's the Worldcoin. And we're going to be using 1 USDT. Click on preview conversion and simply click on convert. By doing this, we've successfully converted our USDT to Worldcoin. And by doing this, we've successfully bought the Worldcoin by converting our USDT into the Worldcoin. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.